What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, back with another video. Check it out. On this video, I got two clippers I want to unbox for y'all. We got the new StyleCraft Reign clipper, and we also got the new StyleCraft Rival clipper. This one's been out for a minute, but I just got it in about a week and a half ago, and this one I just got in last week as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this video. Now, before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, smash that like button, subscribe one time for the one time. Let me know down in the comments if you are new to my channel. But like I said, we are going to be unboxing these two clippers right here. We're actually going to start off with the StyleCraft Reign clipper. Now, I did an unboxing and a review on the StyleCraft Reign trimmer. If you'd like to check that out, I'll make sure to put the link up here on top of the screen for y'all so y'all can click on that and check it out. But we are gonna actually be doing an unboxing of the clipper. Now, like I said, I got this in a week and a half ago, maybe 2 or 3 weeks, honestly. And I've used it a little bit, but I haven't gotten any content with it. So before I give y'all a review, I just wanna unbox it just so y'all know what comes in this box. In case y'all don't already know, y'all don't have the clipper. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this. Remember guys, if you want to purchase anything from StyleCraft, you can go to their website, stylecraftus.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website to save yourself a little bit of money, or you can go to fwbarbersupply.com. Use my discount code TANK10 on that website as well. But with that being said, check it out. Here is the StyleCraft Reign trimmer, or I'm sorry, Reign clipper, Eon digital brushless motor, fixed black DLC Echo taper blade, adjustable zero gap blade, lithium ion battery with 3 hours of runtime, USB-C rechargeable high-speed magnetic motor, 7,800 RPMs, comes with 4 tight dub magnetic guards, and it's got a long lever taper control, long click lever taper control. So I believe you can add the what's the word, the stretch lever on here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into unboxing this. Now we're gonna take this off. Check it out. And we have the clipper right here. Now the clipper did come in a plastic sleeve. However, like I said, I unboxed it for Instagram, did a little video for Instagram and stuff. So I already unboxed it, but I did want to come home and do an actual unboxing for y'all. So check it out. Here is the StyleCraft Reign clipper. It does come with the Echo blade. However, it is an Echo taper blade. So this blade is slightly different than the original Echo blade. It is a little thicker blade. It's got a little more, it's a little more rounded. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it is a little more rounded to help do that, that taper scooping motion. Some people like taper blades. Some people like fade blades. Me, I tend to lean more towards the fade blades, but any blade put on a clipper, we gonna get the job done, right? But check it out, like I said, it's got the Echo taper blade on there. Excuse the hair on it. Like I said, I used it a couple times, but we do have a click lever as well. Check those clicks out. We have the on and off switch right here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the clipper on for y'all. $7,800 RPMs. Wait, is it 7,800 or is it 85? What did I say earlier? Yeah, 7,800 RPMs. Nice sounding motor, and I like when you turn it on, we get a little purple light right there. It matches the name Reign on the clipper. Check that out once again. We have USB-C charging at the bottom, which a lot of tools come USB-C now. Shout out to all the clipper companies for making that happen. And then we also have the regular charging port as well, right? But nonetheless, that's the clipper. Comes with a click lever. I like click levers. Click levers aren't for everybody. To each his own, right? But we're gonna go ahead and take out this piece and see what else comes inside of this box. So we do get the pamphlet that don't nobody ever really look at. We get 4 tight dub guards. So if it's 4, I'm assuming we get the half, the 1, the 1.5, and the 2. Maybe a 3 in here. I don't know. I really don't want to open this because I don't want to lose any of these guards. But we get that inside of the box as well. We do get a StyleCraft screwdriver. We get a charging cord. No brick, no stand, and that's totally fine. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm sure that this clipper is a slightly cheaper price than some of the other tools. So we don't get We don't get a charging dock or we don't get a charging brick with this. We just get the cord, the regular charging cord, and then we also get a USB-C charging cord as well. Let me check the price on the website for y'all real quick. So the Reign clipper is selling right now at StylecraftUS.com for $229.95. It is available in stock right now if y'all want to purchase this. You can go to the website, use my discount code TANK10 on that website. It's going to take off about $20, give or take. You know what I'm saying? So if you want to check that out, I'm finna check on FW Barber Supply for y'all real quick. So the clipper is sold out at FortWorthBarberSupply.com, but it is $229.95 on that website. So whichever website you want to go to, you know what I'm saying, you can go to that website. It's the same price on both. You get the same discount using my discount code TANK10. But that is the clipper, the StyleCraft Reign clipper. And I am going to put this to use as well. Get a couple clips of me actually cutting with it and let y'all know what I think about the blade. Like I said, I've already used this for a couple haircuts. So far, I'm liking it. Only reason why I stopped using it is I got a couple other tools in that I kind of need to get content for. So I need to be better at getting, you know, content with all my tools, right? But nonetheless, we're gonna be doing an updated, or not an updated, but we will be doing a review for y'all. You know, maybe not in the next couple days, but in a week or so. So y'all make sure to hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed. That way you know when I drop that video. But with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and put all this stuff back in the box and move on to unboxing the StyleCraft Rival. All right, so check it out, guys. This is the StyleCraft Rival clipper. Check that out. Looks a little different, not as traditional as some of their tools. You know, it is a slightly different looking tool. It does say metal edition, so maybe they're going to be coming out with a plastic edition as well. Not 100% sure on that, but we're going to read some of the stuff on the box for y'all and unbox this, and then, you know, talk a little bit about it. It does got a Japanese stainless steel taper blade, 7,500 RPM supercharged motor, zero gap adjustable, floating taper control, so it doesn't have a click lever. It is a floating lever. Lithium ion battery for up to 3 hours of runtime, and it does have an LED display screen. Comes with 6 guards, a cleaning brush. It comes with an adapter to charge it. And yeah, man, that's basically what comes in this box. But once again, check it out, the StyleCraft Rival. Let's go ahead and get this out of the box. Now, once again, guys, I did unbox this for a video on Instagram, but I have not used this one at all yet. Check it out. We got a little bit of glare due to this plastic in there. Check it out. Here's the clipper. It does come with a guard, a blade guard, but I popped it off for my unboxing video on Instagram, and I don't know what happened to it. But nonetheless, check it out. Here is the Japanese stainless steel blade. It is a taper blade. Check that out. And we do have a floating lever on the side, which is a little different. Most of the tools that StyleCraft and Gamma release typically have a click lever on them. So the fact that it is a floating lever is a little different, but I'm not mad at it. You know what I'm saying? To each his own. You know what I'm saying? Some people like floating levers, some people like click levers. So, you know, it is what it is, right? But check it out once again. This is the clipper. Like I said, stainless steel blade, floating lever. We got the power switch on the side. Let me go ahead and turn it on for y'all. Does got a nice hum to it. Sounds like a clipper I've heard before. I just can't really, like, put my finger on what clipper that is. But I don't know if y'all can see it on the screen. We do have an LED screen on there. Lets you know the speed that it's running at and the charge. We are at 100% charge. 7,500 RPM speed motor on there. At the bottom, we do get a hanging hook, which is kind of dated, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. We ain't talking about that just yet. And we do have the charging port at the bottom. However, this clipper does not come with USB-C, which I would have liked, but for a cheaper price point, you really can't be too mad at it. You know what I'm saying? Like this clipper right now on the StyleCraft website is $79.95. They are going to be dropping it in April, so coming soon. Once again, you can use my discount code TANK10 at StylecraftUS.com. Save yourself a little bit of money if you do want to purchase this. For 80 bucks for a cordless clipper, depending on how this thing works, it might not be a bad buy. You know what I'm saying? If you're new to barbering, you want to just jump in the game and start cutting, and you don't want to spend $200-300 on clippers, this might not be a bad buy right here, the StyleCraft Rival, right? But let's go ahead and continue looking in this box to see what else comes in here. So we do have the pamphlet that I ain't gonna look at. You know what I'm saying? I don't know who looks at that. But they did send your boy a brush. Comes with a little fade brush. All right. I ain't mad at that. Does come with a charging cord. Yeah, it's charging cord right here, as y'all can see. Put that to the side. Up, and I dropped it. Does come with guards. Not the traditional StyleCraft guards. But they look like, I mean, they look like they could be tight guards, but not really. You know what I'm saying? Check those guards out. I don't know if y'all can see through the plastic, but those are the guards. Not the traditional StyleCraft guards. But like I said, for a cheaper price point, you really can't be mad at that. I mean, I guess you can, but for $79.95, you know what I'm saying? You get what you get. That's how I feel about it. You know, everyone feels different about it, and that's cool, right? But that's what comes in the box. You get the charging cord, you get some oil, you get a brush, you get the guards. Basically everything you need for your clipper to work, and everything you need in a box with the clipper. But once again, check it out, the StyleCraft Rival. I have not used this clipper yet. Once again, I have not used this clipper just yet, so I can't speak on it at all. It is heavier than the Reign clipper, but it's not too heavy. I mean, it feels a little heavier, but I'm sure that's because it's an all-metal body. But it is what it is, right? Once again, check it out, StyleCraft Rival. And I'm not going to lie, this actually reminds me, it's going to be a little funny, but this clipper reminds me a lot of like a Michelob Ultra bottle, like not the can, but not the styrofoam, the aluminum can, the aluminum bottles. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying that's what it reminds me of. Anyways, but with that being said, man, check it out, the StyleCraft Rival clipper. We are going to be putting this to use, and I am going to let y'all know what I think about it in another video, right? But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. I just wanted to show y'all some of the tools that I got. No review, just an unboxing, but it is what it is, right? But if you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.